Why are you so slow? Perfect. Where's her, we make a bib or something.
I have one. Well, if she's not going to take a huge spoon.
Give me that spoon. Give me that spoon, sucker. I don't like this at all. Don't look so abused. Maybe we should have got the sweetened kind.
No.
So they said not to.
No, but I don't know. Maybe sugar.
No, you look sad.
It's your first food, kinda.
Can't tell if she likes it or not. Oh, she didn't know how to eat it. She's confused.
That was a good one.
Why does she have that look on her face?
No. She said just 3 teaspoons.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
Okay.
do you think she's eating 3
She
teaspoons?
didn't kept out any of it, I don't think, but we'll just try a little bit every day. I'm just gonna used to doing the spoon. Little bug, the food gets so much better if you learn to eat this kind of food.
Yeah.
I would think she would like the regular. This price is
Well,
crap.
she doesn't know the difference. Through the camera, it looks like she likes it.